Once a week, I put plastic bags on my feet. A cosmetologist showed me this trick. Grab a tall container, preferably glass. You'll need apple cider vinegar, which is known for its natural cleansing and refreshing properties. Pour in exactly about 3.5 ounces of vinegar. It helps smooth the skin, even out its texture. Then add about 14 ounces of water to dilute it properly. Mix well. Your solution is ready. Now grab 2 bags, preferably zip-top bags. Put one on each foot. Pour the mixture into each bag so it fully covers your feet. Then secure the bags. Leave it on for about 20 minutes so the ingredients can work. After that, take your feet out and pat them dry with a towel. Rinse your feet with clean water to remove any vinegar residue, then dry them thoroughly. Do this once a week. Your feet will feel soft, smooth, and nicely refreshed without using a foot file or going to a salon. Sprinkle baking soda onto the nail, then pour a small amount of clear vinegar over it. The ingredients will start to fizz. Thoroughly massage the mixture around the nail. A cosmetologist friend shared this method with me, and since I've been using it, the fungal problem hasn't come back. Place baking soda on the back of your neck, and you'll never have this problem again. Few people realize how incredible baking soda's properties are. While it's mostly associated with baking and cleaning, it can also be an excellent cosmetic. Pour 1 tablespoon of baking soda into a bowl. Baking soda is a natural agent with antibacterial, brightening, and pH-regulating properties. Now, take coconut oil. If it's solid, simply place it in a small bowl and microwave it for a few seconds until it melts. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to the bowl. Besides its kitchen uses, coconut oil is fantastic for hair and skin care. Mix both ingredients and apply the resulting paste to the back of your neck. A small amount is enough. Leave it on for about 15 minutes. This mixture can also be used on elbows, knees, armpits, hands, or even the face. Regular use once a week will make your skin healthier, brighter, and more even-toned. It's an essential homemade mask, also great for fighting acne. It helps fade discoloration and gives you an affordable, versatile skincare solution for your entire body. Apply toothpaste to your feet and see what happens. This method is cheap and incredibly simple. Take some toothpaste and squeeze it onto your heels. It has exfoliating properties, gently removing dead skin cells. Additionally, it disinfects and softens the skin. Sprinkle about a teaspoon of baking soda onto the toothpaste. Baking soda has antibacterial properties and helps soothe and relax your feet after a long day. Then take a piece of lemon and squeeze the juice onto the baking soda and toothpaste. Start rubbing the lemon on your heel, pressing harder on the most calloused areas. Leave this mixture on your feet for 15 minutes. After that time, wash off the remnants. Apply a moisturizing cream to your feet to enhance and maintain the effect. This home remedy is extremely effective and affordable. It also softens the skin and helps you relax. Place a small amount of Vapor Rub ointment on a spoon and gently heat it until it melts. Add a pinch of baking soda. Apply the finished mixture to your toenails and gently massage it in. This blend may help slow down the development of fungal infections. The combination has strong antiseptic properties, a simple homemade remedy. Sprinkle baking soda on your knee. Be generous. Make sure the entire area is fully covered. Baking soda has anti-inflammatory properties, helps reduce pain and swelling, and improves microcirculation where it's applied. Now grab some ointment. Massage it in thoroughly around the baking soda. Don't skip any spot. This combo has powerful effects. It warms the area, loosens up stiffness, and brings fast relief to your joints. Finally, place a paper towel over your knee and press it down gently. This simple home remedy can really help with knee pain and stiffness. Give it a try and feel the difference. Pour vinegar on your feet. You'll feel relief, freshness, and cleanliness just like after a professional treatment. Let me show you how to prepare this simple but effective mixture. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It softens the skin and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt. It soothes irritation and has disinfecting properties. Now, pour in 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Vinegar has strong antifungal and antibacterial properties. This combination will start to fizz and bubble. That's a sign it's working. Take a lemon, cut it in half, and squeeze the juice from 1/2. Lemon brightens the skin, has antiseptic properties, and leaves a fresh scent. Mix everything thoroughly. And that's it. Your all-natural foot treatment made from just a few basic ingredients. Dip a brush into the mixture and gently scrub your toenails and the skin around them. Be thorough and careful. Now just rinse your toes with water. The result? Better than many salon treatments. Clean, refreshed, and well-groomed feet in just a few minutes. All without leaving your home. Place baking soda on your neck. You'll be amazed by the effect. Many people are unaware of how wonderfully baking soda works. Baking soda can not only be used for baking or cleaning, but it is also an exceptional cosmetic product. Take a bowl and pour a tablespoon of baking soda into it. Baking soda is an excellent antibacterial, brightening, and pH-stabilizing agent for the skin. Pour 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into the baking soda. Coconut oil is commonly used for frying in many households. It has remarkable properties for hair care. But lately, it is increasingly being used for whole body care. Mix the baking soda with the coconut oil. Take a lime and squeeze out its juice. Lime juice tones the skin. It soothes skin irritations and inflammations. Mix everything thoroughly. Apply the prepared mixture to the skin of your neck. Spread it on the nape. Apply a small amount and leave it on for several minutes. You can also apply such a mixture to elbows, knees, skin under the arms, hands, and face. Do this once a week, and your skin will be healthier. This is an irreplaceable homemade mask for fighting acne. But not only that, blemishes and redness will disappear from the skin. You'll get rid of pimples, spots, and irritations. The skin will brighten and achieve a uniform color. For just a few pennies, you have a universal cosmetic product that you can use on your entire body's skin.
Natural mask that removes blackheads and pimples. Preparation takes only 5 minutes. Prepare 4 aspirin tablets. It contains acetylsalicylic acid, which helps fight acne. It exfoliates and softens the skin. Lay out a piece of plastic wrap on a board, then place the tablets on it and cover with another layer of plastic wrap. Using a hammer, crush the tablets into powder. This will help them dissolve faster. Transfer the powder to a bowl. Add a tablespoon of plain yogurt. It is rich in vitamin B and proteins, soothing irritations, and promoting skin regeneration. Like a soothing dressing, it helps reduce redness and discoloration. Add a tablespoon of honey. Mix everything together. Honey is an antioxidant that blocks free radicals, helping to maintain youthful skin. Finally, add almond oil. It gently moisturizes the skin without leaving a greasy layer. This oil effectively rebuilds the skin's hydrolipidic barrier. Thoroughly mix the mask to achieve a uniform consistency. It takes literally 5 minutes to prepare, and its effects are wonderful. Apply the mask to the face and neck. Leave it on for 15 minutes. During this time, the ingredients will penetrate the skin. Rinse with lukewarm water, gently massaging. Aspirin helps remove dead skin cells. Blackheads and pimples won't stand a chance.